If you want to set up sleep mode on iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, then in that case you want to open settings. Next, in settings, we're gonna scroll down until you find the focus option, and then in here you should be able to find the sleep mode, which in my case is over here. Now if you go here for the first time, you might need to set it up, so you can just follow the instructions, but if you see immediately something like this, then over here we have a bunch of different options like intelligent breakthrough and silencing. So when sleep mode is active, your iPhone can intelligently allow priority notifications to interrupt you and silence other notifications. So of course, if you want that, you can turn this on. You can also decide by yourself which apps and what people who can actually interrupt you during the sleep mode, so you can add exceptions over here. You can also go to options in order to find some more stuff in here. We can also customize our screens, the lock screen and the home screen, so that it changes when you activate or deactivate the sleep mode. There are also the synchronization. There's also the synchronization with the health app, so you can set up sleep in the health app, and we can also manage focus filters. So if you press add filters, you can over here choose to, for example, also enable the low power mode. You can turn on the silent mode and so on and so forth. And yeah, once it is set up, if you want to turn it on, you can, for example, go to the control center, and you might be able to find this focus button, so you can tap on it and you should be able to find the sleep option, which you can easily enable or disable over here. You can also set up the sleep mode in the action button. So if you go to settings again, but this time we're gonna go to action, then over here we have focus, and over here where we have all focus modes, we can select this option and we can specifically choose sleep, so you can press and hold to the action button in order to toggle the sleep mode. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.